Hey guys, what's up? This is ProWolfTrader. You're watching live stream in the Sydney session. I hope everybody is doing fine and great. We are back yet again. I was awake, so I thought why not stream early. I was thinking maybe I'll make up a streaming time now. I'll be streaming at the market open till when the market open up and the Sydney session, and I'll try to stream for 4 or 5 hours till Tokyo open, till China open. So let's see how everything goes, if I can be consistent and keep this. And then I'm thinking of streaming in New York session. Tokyo and New York session are two the sessions I will try to cover as much as possible, and in between, if availability is an option, then I'll try to stream. But let's see how everything goes. Hey, what's up, man? How are you, man? Yeah, Mr. Gibris is doing fine. Just yesterday was not a good day for me. Two of my trades got hit, but it's the start of the month and the first week of the NFP, so that's normal pretty much. But the nicest part is that we caught the top now, and hopefully everything will be in order. And let's just not try to predict anything. Just follow the market. Yesterday break even in the morning trade. I was on break even on my others account, but this account which I'm streaming on stream, it got hit, but it was just the profit which got affected, so that was not an option. It was not a bad thing. Other than that, my other trade did not went well during the New York session because the price was moving up. It was most likely due to the ADP data. Long before even we got the ADP data, the price kept moving up. Just around the corner, just like 2-3 minutes before the ADP, we had Fed Kashkari giving an interview to CNBC in which he mentioned that it's time to slowly move the interest rate, and then the price suddenly stopped moving up. It hit 4200, but just went up to like 4250 or something, and just halted. And in futures, we saw a huge amount of sellers putting sell limit orders around this zone. Plus, there is a 50% chance that the deal between US and there's a succession rate that things will go well, but it's not the scene. Where's the TP on the sell? I haven't marked any TP yet. I mean, just one on 4000. Other than that, this is my 0.50 lot size. So other than that, I don't have any of them because I'm just testing the waters. I have shared the signal, the same entry along with the TPs in the group. So over there I have, but on live I am not in a mood to put any TP levels. The reason for that is I expect a liquidation straight to 4080, and I have no intentions to close the trades until it enters 4000 range. So this is why I've left the TP. I will see. As stop loss is my stop loss is sitting at 4300. I have a huge stop loss, nearly a 500, but this is my personal stop loss on this account. The stop loss which I have shared on the premium is 4280, and but the entry is 4260. The entry in the premium subscription signal was 4260, and the stop loss was for nearly 200 pips. So I give away the free signal yet again. So if you're lucky and hearing it, you can call it a trade. Other than that, nope. I'm not taking any chances. I'm not trying to fight the trend. The trend on the higher time frame is still bearish, it's still dropping. It just happens to be that we got excited. I mean, the bulls got excited, and we just somehow managed to hit 4200. It seems like a dream, right? This dream will be over as soon as Tokyo opens up, because I have some news for you. Let me read it out. So, starting from the latest news, the Iran has have given threats to Gulf countries that their energy infrastructure will be hit if US strikes again anywhere in Iran. And we have another news. Iran is demanding a fees of 7% on all the commercial ships that are passing through the Straits of Hormuz, with Chinese and Russian vessels exempt from fee. Chinese and Russian vessels can move without any problem, but other than that, every vessel will pay 7%. While Oman is discussing a smaller fees of around 3%, and the US wants to no fees per routers and an Iranian source. And apart from that, Iranian Deputy Foreign Minister Kazim Garibabadi, what the hell, there have been no talks with the US in recent days. So he denied that there was any communication. Apart from that, Iran's foreign minister Ismail Baghel said that we have no plans for the foreign minister or the speaker of parliament to travel to Pakistan or Qatar at the end of this week. Of course, Pakistan and Qatar continue their efforts to reduce tensions, and Iran is also in contact and exchanging words. But they have confirmed that there have been no communications and there is no plans for the foreign minister to travel to either Qatar or Pakistan. So they denied all these fake allegations, fake news spread by the US that there's gonna be a peace deal till Friday. They're just literally just scoring, number games for the NFP data. Another one, Houthis have claimed responsibility for targeting the Saudi oil tankers in the Gulf of Aden with a ballistic missile. Okay, so they hit a couple of ships. So this is the latest news. So this is where we are. We are in a really tight spot. If you're new to this channel, so hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon and stay notified whenever I come online or upload any videos. I'm streaming. I'm trying to be consistently streamed during Tokyo, the pre Tokyo Open, and during the York session. We have a valid offer. We have an offer valid till the 14 August. 14% off till 14 August. Independence sale, mega sale, huge mega sale. Huge, it's gonna be huge. Fuck it. On all the premium memberships. Sorry for my bad language, but it is what it is. I cannot change myself. So yeah, I'm done. I'm tired, but who cares? I mean, if you want, you can join. There's a 14% off, and 15 batches starting on 1st September. You got plenty of time. Everybody has plenty of time. Figure it out if you want to join or not. Let's do the analysis. Give me 5 minutes. I'll start the analysis. If you have any questions, you can ask me up in the chat or message me on Telegram. Don't be shy. Ask me. I'm not gonna bite you. Okay. It's time to move this up. Okay, so we have a clear free fall about to start anytime, and this one's gonna be deep. And if the liquidation triggers because of any news, any kind of news comes, and even if a slight bit that Iran is not sending any envoy neither to Qatar or Pakistan, one line will destroy the market. And exactly something like that is cooking. Coming back to what's happening on gold, you can see hey, what's up? Gold group leadership, international signal, sell brother for profit. Huh? What are you trying to do, brother? Group gold leadership, international signal. This is the AI bot. Are you for real, man? What the hell is wrong with you? Sorry, brother, you have to go. I don't like bots. Anyways, so we are kind of stuck at 4250 area, right? And price is slowly dropping down like a sinking boat. There's plenty of room to breathe down at the bottom. If 1 hour starts to drop just like it went up yesterday, it'd be a matter of time that we are back at 4050. Hey, what's up, Jen? Are you still awake? You missed the class yesterday, so don't miss the class today. Okay, don't miss it. Busy days coming. Yeah. So as I was saying that if the price starts to drop, we start to see selling pressure, which we will in a matter of fact. It will be a couple of hours, mostly 8-10 hours, that we come back to 40-50 area. Remember that I wanna mention one thing over here, that it's okay, Jenna, no need to apologize. Okay, it's a matter of fact that I just reminding you. I know you're a really busy person, so anyways, what I was saying was that yeah, I was mentioning that yeah, I was mentioning that the day before yesterday, I meant Tuesday, when I spotted this bullish divergence, and the market opened up with a gap up, and eventually started to went up. I took profit somewhere around 40-90 area, because I spotted a 4-hourly red candle, and I thought that we are getting selling pressure, and I assumed that we are getting bearish divergence. So okay, my voice is not clear. Is it clear now? I don't know why it's not clear. Is my voice clear? I think I was I think it should be clear now. Is my voice clear now? One two testing 1 2 1 2. I don't know, man, why my voice is not clear. Anyways, so as I was saying, okay, what else? Yeah. So the day before yesterday, on Tuesday, I spotted a bullish divergence. This was most likely, I think, on Monday. Yeah, Monday. Monday, when the market opened up, right before that, I spotted bullish divergence. But I thought that Monday, Tuesday, after Tuesday market close, eventually I took profit somewhere around this zone, expecting that on ADP, we will go down, and the 2 4 hourly candle that formed right before the market closed kind of um, you know gave me an impression that we are getting a bearish divergence, and I opened a sell around this area around 40.90, 40.89, and I went to sleep expecting that the price will drop. I didn't knew for that price will suddenly go up. 4 hourly straight went up. There was no news. There was nothing. This happened between Tokyo and London session and just kept going up. And then later, I heard during the mid of the New York session that some people in the US, especially on the Wall Street, New York Times, and even in the White House, they're saying that there have been words exchanged between US and Iran wants a deal, and they're expecting to meet and agree on a terms to open the Hormuz till Friday. And this news sparked, turned the risk on the Wall Street, and everybody from the stock market to the gold and metals, everything went up in indices, and followed by a huge drop in crude oil. Not huge actually, it went up to 80, but after this it dropped down to 75, 74, and we kind of like got suckered in. And as soon as we got over here, news started coming up that this might not be even possible. And just a couple of minutes ago, I said that the Iranian foreign minister said that there have been no words exchanged between US and Iran, and they are not going to Qatar or Pakistan for any talks or anything. In fact, they communicated with Qatar saying that Iran will charge 7% fees on every ship passing through the Hormuz except China and Russia, and that was it. Qatar wanted a lower rate, 3% fees, and this was the entire communication. But the people on the Wall Street and New York Times and America and the people in the White House, they give it an impression that Iran wants a deal and everything will be fine, and it's just bogus, fake news. This fake news pumped the price up. And now where I got suckered into believing this is what happens. The market gives you false information, and if you don't wait, I should have waited till the ADP comes out. I should have waited. But anyway, a lesson learned. I was being careless for 2 weeks. I suppose I need to be more careful now. This was indeed my first stop loss after 2 weeks of streaming in the first month of August. So I learned my lesson. I'll try not to make the exact same mistake. And after knowing that today we are getting unemployment claims in the New York session, no major news is gonna pull the price up except tomorrow Friday. So we have a whole 24 hours window for the gold price to drop down to 40, 50, which it will. Even if you don't like it, don't try to predict the market, follow it. I did not predict the market. I was following it right before I slept to 4 hourly, and I got suckered in. I did not have the guts to open the long over here because I believed at any moment the price will drop down. But to my but I got astonished the way I knew the data is going to be lower. Nothing new last for Wednesday when we were trading the FOMC. We were bullish and we were holding our trades in Tokyo session, so that too we made profit at that time. I should have been really careful, knowing that whatever the data is, gold will just pop up. But things can change on this Friday because NFP will not just be giving us non-farm payroll numbers, but also the inflation rate, that how much inflation is in control, and this is a big deal. And right now on the chart, if I just plotted this divergence, and this is indeed a normal divergence, but things can change if it keeps on going up. This divergence will be redundant, but given that we have reached the oversold zone on the Scotch stick, and we have a double top on the chart, implies that we have a bearish divergence in formation, and slowly volume is fading away from this zone. So depending on this data and following the price and looking at the volume and order books on futures, I am MCL. I'm in a short, and I hope this works out. Actually, I don't hope. I know it will work out, because if I'm hoping, I will probably close that trade. And trades don't depend on hope. If you hope, if you are having a hope on any trade, just close it. I think this will. I am certain that this will fall. So that it is what it is. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. If you, I know you guys are tired of listening the exact same thing over and over again, but I just do this because I want at least 100 subscribers one day on my stream. So it helps my channel grow. And please join Telegram and Discord. The links are given. Again, I'm saying we have a 14% off on all the premium membership till 14 August Independence sale. So do check that out. And our 15 batches is starting from 1st September. So you guys have plenty of time to figure out if you want to join or not. I'm teaching everything that I know in 12-15 days, saving a lot of your guys' time. I will be teaching you how to trade in New York, Tokyo, and London session, how to scalp, swing, intraday, day trade, how to utilize tools, indicators. Then I will give you 5 trading setups and teach you how to trade gold, crude oil, futures market, stocks, S&P 500, Nasdaq, along with currency and crypto. So that will come in really handy. Just DM me in Telegram using the link in bio or in the chat, and my team will set you up, or if I'm free, I'll reply you. Look at this price is just not moving anything. It's just dead. This is what I was talking about. If there is no buy volume, the price will slowly drop, slowly fade. This gap will be filled. Either it gets filled today or tomorrow on NFP. Take it easy. That's it. yeah, we are starting to see what's up. Yeah. The stream is running fine, everything is smooth. Only one like, come on guys. I know it's boring. I know you guys want to buy, but it is what it is. I'm just gonna let the stream run and so if you guys have any question you can ask me, otherwise I'll just be staring and at other stuff, I mean futures. I believe we are good with this trade. Today free signal have been given. Keep in mind I am now giving only 2 signals per day. Yesterday I gave one, second I give right now. So if you're new to the channel, just like and subscribe. Yeah. I'm here, guys. I'm just going through some stuff. If you have anything in your mind, you can ask me. And that's how things are. Okay. It's pretty calm right now. Nothing to see. Just waiting for the Tokyo Open, I suppose. By the way, for people who trade crypto, just I think on Friday, the US Senate will pass the resolution regarding the crypto adaptation. It's a more than 300 page manual. Not manual, sorry. 300 pages of stuff that they filed. And if it gets approved, then most likely everybody will see buy momentum coming back on crypto. So finger crossed, let's wait for crypto. Silver, still nothing on silver, still nothing on gold. No news left. This is gonna be a long day. Soon as it starts dropping, things will be better. Okay, so we have a new news. Just right now, Iran has denied that Trump. Iran denies that it has asked us to negotiate. Keep in your mind, Donald Trump just said this right now, an hour ago. I'm late with the news. Okay, so we had a Donald Trump press conference which got delayed yesterday. Nothing more, I guess. Just eyes on the news waiting for anything that is move. And looking at some Iran related news. Updates on Iran war, Lapsk drone, East Lade and more. The Iranian warning was like, okay, I'm watching news now. So, yeah. I'm watching news. Buy now. You buy, brother. What's the logic? Give me a logic. Why do you want to buy? Give me a logic. You buy now and your TP is 43, 45. Okay, okay. Good luck. Bang bang. Bang bang. Bang bang bang. So late. just waiting. There is no deal between US and Iran. There is no deal between US and Iran. And yeah. Okay, something is happening, it's just going up. Some news or something. Some kind of volume volatility. Wait a second. I don't know what's happening. Let me see. Anyways, guys, I'll come back in London or something because this thing will probably start to lose the juice anytime now. It's gonna start trading drop down because the 23 minutes are left for the 4 hourly. Next 4 hourly will drag it down, and I just wanna sleep so I can be ready for a big day tomorrow. I'll see you guys in New York or London session. Thanks for tuning up.